as you can see, I am finally in a room, and that's because I'm gonna tell y'all in a minute. I'm gonna tell y'all what happened, because first I just want to show y'all my room. So you come in and it's so beautiful. You got the bathroom, shower, nice bathroom. Then you have this like closing mirror. You have this little like closet storage. My suitcase is not gonna go there because the OCD in me will not allow it to go there. Then it's like a mini bar with a fridge, another mirror. Then this is the best part. Like, this painting alone makes the room do what it needs to do. But we got the TV, little desk area, little lounge area. Then this right here is everything. Like, imagine during sunset and sunrise. Now that that is done, alright, so it's 12:14 and it just started raining, but it's supposed to stop. I don't know. It's Thailand. It may rain for 5 minutes. May rain for an hour, who knows. But anyways, I have done majority of my makeup. That's pretty much finished. My hair is pretty much dry, but I still need to brush it out to give it more volume because I don't like it like this. I don't like it defined. And then we're gonna pick out my outfit. I kind of have an idea of what I want to wear. Well, I at least know the shirt that I want to wear, but I don't know nothing else. So yeah, that's what we're gonna do. I didn't know that my camera stopped filming, so I don't remember the last part. But this is pretty much the outfit. Just something really cute. Jewelry. You know, some slight. But yeah, we're gonna get ready and we're gonna go ahead and go because I think the people that are taking me from my hotel go on break at 1, so I need them to take me before they leave. Hello guys. Now, this wouldn't be a proper visual diary without a little wisdom, now would it? But first, I simply want to ask you, how are you? I hope you take a deep breath and you inhale, you exhale, and you ponder on that thought. For me, I've been pondering on the thoughts of what my mind is. It often leads me to a place of confusion or even a place of illusions. I mean, what can I expect? My name, Maya, literally means the supernatural power wielded by God to produce illusions and manifestations. It's somewhat coded in my DNA, designed for me before I could even form a complete thought to ponder. But that's a beautiful thing, isn't it? Just think about it. We have the ability to form thoughts. You have an entire mind that is coded just for you. A mind that constructs thoughts having influential societal effects. A mind synchronizing with the heartbeat of Earth. A mind creating the balance of yin and yang. That's beautiful. Something more than beautiful, actually. No words created by the limiting language of man can describe such a thing. My mind is like the pure strand of love for me. Always there, open, and ready to receive whatever it is I have to offer, the good and the bad, allowing me to use and abuse it, consistently waiting patiently for me to get it right, to understand. I used to seek that kind of love outside of myself until I realized my mind knew me better than I knew myself. The mind is separate from who I am. My spirit is who I am. My body is the vessel. My mind is a tool of guidance, the tool that takes care of the functionality of Maya Nayel, always working, never astray, telling my body to breathe, my heart to pump, my spirit to flow. Your love for me is gentle, the finest gift given by God, and for that, I express gratitude for my mind. Thank you for telling me to slow down, for telling me my body needs to breathe. Thank you for holding my darkest secrets, for allowing me to come back to you for guidance. Thank you for your kind words, for allowing my expansion of knowledge to grow through you. Thank you for your loyalty. I simply thank you for keeping my body and spirit here when they felt the need to depart. You are a third of me, a part of my holy trinity, my mind. I understand my words may have been a lot to process just now. So I simply leave you with the task to tell me, what is your mind to you?